Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Yesterday we discussed about the customer service management. Now we will go a little more depth into ITSM only because our ITSM works on a core module called the CMDB, Configuration Management Database. This forward has a lot of combination. CMDB, CI, configuration item, service offering. So multiple things are involved here. Okay. If I take a normal example, let's take in my house, I have number of items available. I have a wardrobe, I have a bed, I have a washing machine, I have a AC, I have a uh, what I can say all the things which has been majorly. I have a scooter, I have a bike, I have a car. All the things are in my house. These components help me to run my life in the easy manner. Okay. Now I say that okay, I have my reputation as well, but a reputation you cannot see. You cannot see your reputation that it is in the metal, or it is in the gold, it is in the bronze, or it is in the iron, it is in the zinc. What type of uh, reputation you have? But yes, you have some reputation against your name. Okay, so now if I come to the technical part, if you see that I say okay, this server is not working, it means that server I'm calling as a CI, configuration item. So I'll come to this part directly here. Okay, and then we discuss terms in the one by one. Okay, so if I go by the CMDB definition, what it say basically, it is a data repository that store the information. Okay, it is not storing that particular thing, but it is storing the information about the all hardware and software asset in your IT environments. When I say hardware and software means your laptop, your desktop, your mouse, and when I say software, your Visio, your MS Word, your Office 65, any license you will be using, any software asset you will be using is stored somewhere in the service. Now it's called the CMDB as one of the place here. Okay. Asset logged into CMDB, including product facility. So suppose now if you buy any scooter, or maybe you buy any car, that is an asset for you. Why? Because that has some kind of a financial bindings against that. And you say that okay, Atul, I buy a car. I say okay, what car? You say I buy Creta. Creta is for which company? You give me a company. What which color? You give me a color. What which make? You give me make. What how many seats? You give me seats. Engine. You tell me engine. So means all this information are related to a asset which you are stored in a single place, right? And that is called the CMDB in our IT world specifically. So in short, if I come to the word here as a CI, configuration item, then you will able to understand a little more. So what they say, a CI is any service component. Any service component means suppose I want a signature of a person and I go there. Oh, he say, oh, you are here. That is my reputation as a service there. So I can say my service component. Infrastructure element, your servers, your databases, your IP addresses, all are your infrastructure part. And the other item that need to be managed in order to assure a successful delivery of a service. So like in this class specifically, if I'm talking about this class specifically, this laptop is a CI for me, right? Laptop is an asset for me. My contents are a CI for me because you raise a question against that particular content. Okay, Atul, I did not understand the workflow. I did not understand the service portal. So every CI has a classification or a type which indicate what type of item it is. Now, if I ask a question, what do you mean by the laptop? Surya, What do you think? What is a laptop?
Like it's a device like which we can do multiple actions like we can.
But what type of device?
It's a hardware device. Like
Correct.
it's a combination of hardware with software inside.
Right. So, and if I say, okay, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is a software device. Like
it is a software. Means you are able to easily classify that particular item so that you can indicate that it is a hardware, it is a software.
Software. Yeah.
Like if I say ice, people say till the time ice is hard, it is solid.
Yeah.
But as soon as the ice melts, it becomes
liquid.
Liquid. So it by seeing that particular item, you are able to see that how many or what type of this CI is there. It is a hardware or it is a software. So this is the first level of bifurcation I can say in our ServiceNow we do. So when we go to ServiceNow, we see that okay, when I say computer, it belongs to which table? It belongs to hardware. It belongs to hardware table. Like if I go here and let's see. So now you can see product models are there, right? All models. So I have these many products, but these are the model categories. So if I go here for the model categories, this one. Actually, this is the thing I want to show you. So when you purchase anything in your house, you say that it is that type of category. Like if you purchase watermelon from market, will you say it is a hardware? No. Will you say it is a software? No. What do you say? Bhai, ye to chota sa product, it is a consumable thing which you can consume immediately. But yes, it belongs to somewhere in the hardware part. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
So in the same manner, we have approximately 142 type of product models or the model category. Not I'll not say the product model, I'll say the model category. That these many type of CIs or type of models we can build up in our ServiceNow. So like you can see is a computer and computers belong to the hardware, right? Computer belong to the hardware. Now consumable, like if you're working in a company and you say, I need a new mouse. They will say, okay, take this mouse and do your work. Maybe they have, maybe they don't have any kind of asset tag on that. Because mouse ko you cannot track. In my company, thousands of employees are working. Shall I make a tag number on the thousands mouse? It is not possible. But on your laptop, you have a tag available. So like taking now an example. In your house, you have a cutleries in the kitchen, right? Will you write your name on the each and every cutlery, even the spoon and the this thing as well, glass or the bowls? No. But maybe on the big thalis, you write, okay, this is my name. In the previous it was tradition earlier that whenever people buy any utensils from the market, they ask, "Bhaiya, is pe mera naam likh do. It belongs to my." But you do this thing on the plates, on the big bowls, but you don't do this thing onto the spoons or the small bowl. Okay, so first we proceed further. We have to be understand that okay, these are the models which we are be using in our CMDB part. Okay, let's see if something is on the software as well. Let's see. Group by asset class. See, here they are saying. Number one, asset. Okay, your computer room is an asset. Computer room AC is an asset. It is not a hardware, it is an asset for you. Okay. Now, if I say consumable, docking stations, like if you go in your office, you have a multiple stations available where one system has been set up and you can go and you check your emails. Then enterprise software. Specifically, if you buy kind of a Microsoft licenses, so you can store in these classes. Then I can say facility. HVC equipments, which can help you in the run your facilities. Maybe basically premises and all things will be there, and something on the license hardware part. So your all server computers are your hardware. Servers, computers, inverters, all these things are hardware here. Now, if I go here in the licensing, so this is my software licensing. Like, okay, Ronald has a license of the Microsoft Office, but Surya don't have a license of the Microsoft Office. So we think we can track these things in these areas. Nowadays, ServiceNow come up with a new product called the ITAM. Okay, in that ITAM, they have two different products. They called as a HAM, hardware asset management, and SAM, software asset management, so that you can track your hardware and your software separately in a separate modules. क्योंकि hardware का life cycle अलग होता है, software का life cycle is a different one. So this says I'm giving you the two different modules. You can use that modules in your business and you can start using these particular things. Now the question comes, Atul, what is the purpose of this models here? The thing is that if I say, okay, let me give you an example here. Is Ronald joined? Yes, okay, Ronald, welcome. If I give you example, you have 10 items in your bucket. Pen, pencil, wardrobe, chair, center table, and this your hanger in which you put your clothes in the wardrobe, and your pressure cooker and your microwave. Now you have to divide these 5 or 7 items in a different categories, right? Oh, sorry. So now if I take example, pen and pencil, those are the writing equipments. One part has been done. OTG is my electronic item, or microwave is my electronic item. Utensils can be my consumable, or I can say it is my hardware. My wardrobe is wardrobe, chair, and computer table is my furniture. So now what you did, you bifurcate these 5 or 10 items in a different sections. And those sections we call in ServiceNow is a classes. This is the main fundamental of CMDB is called the CI classes. Now ServiceNow provide me more than 100 plus classes. So like you can see here, if I ungroup this, so you can see here the classes. So I have 142 type of classes. If I do this by class, now you can see.
So like
yes,
these CI classes are specific to the ServiceNow product, or it's like
yes,
a universal thing?
ServiceNow product.
Okay.
So now if you say, Atul, in my house, I have a safety pin. In which class it will be fit? You have that capacity in ServiceNow as well. So what ServiceNow specifically do in this area as a consultant, when you go for the consulting and you're implementing CMDB for your customer, okay, you should ask your customer, okay, give me your CI information. He says, okay, Ronald or Surya, I have these many CIs. You try to bifurcate those CIs in a classes as per given by ServiceNow. तभी आप ServiceNow में स्टोर कर पाओगे. जब तक आप आपको क्लासेस नहीं पता होंगे, you cannot store the CI into the ServiceNow class in the service now. I must say, not the class, service now. So classes is the main thing, and that is the work of as a consultant to identify. If I say okay, laptop, you can say okay, laptop is a computer class. Server, you will ask which server you are talking. Let me do little more correction for you here. So you can ask AX server, app server, Java server, directory server, email server, EX server, FTP server, which server you are be having, so that I can add that CI into that particular class. Okay, so on the mota side, what we have to be do, we have to be know the basic classes available in ServiceNow. We cannot remember more than I can say 20 or 30. It is more than 128 if you see. 128 classes are there if I do as per the class wise. Right? Now the question comes, Atul, if I want to see that I am putting a CI in this server class, who is the parent of this server class? भाई server मतलब कि hardware है, हाँ hardware है, लेकिन कैसा? It is a virtual server, it is a logical server, or it is a physical server. So what we have in the service now, we have a product called the class manager. This is a wonderful place where you can see each and everything about your CI or the CMDB. Let me open the hierarchy here. Hierarchy means how a class has been defined. Who is the parent of that particular class? So now I say I want to see the computer class. Okay. Computer is here. So computer, if I open it, so now you can see here. If you want to see the relationship like this, so now you can see. So here's a computer. EXE server is virtualized computer. कंप्यूटर का एक रैक होगा, पावर्स contain racks, depend on service and computer, and member can be cluster. This computer or the peripheral depends on this computer. So these are the relationship which you can easily see. Or if I go here, like if I not to health, let me see all relationship rules, something here.
Atul,
Yeah.
are you seeing these relationships or are you mapping the relationship?
I'm just seeking it. I'm not mapping. It's already built up for me. Let's take example. When a child take birth, who told to that child that he's your father and he's his mother? Grandparents or mother or father himself. Or we create a new relationship. No. I am the mama of this child, even though I'm a father of this child. So these are the relationship which are already built up by ServiceNow, and we have to be used as per our requirement. देखो एक कंप्यूटर के साथ इतने सारे रिलेशनशिप बन सकते हैं. These things. Why I'm showing this thing to you, so that you can understand कि बस कंप्यूटर क्लास के ऊपर कितनी क्लास डिपेंड है, and computers depend on how many classes. These things. Computer is a child, and these are the parents. Computer is a parent, and these are the child. So these are the relationship available in ServiceNow. I'll show when we create a relationship, I'll show that part. Now, if you go for the basic info, कि भाई ये कंप्यूटर्स का नाम क्या है, कंप्यूटर इसका टेबल है CMDB CI टेबल. Is it an extended table or not? मतलब इसको किसी ने extend किया है, ये किसे extend हो क्या है? It is number one, it is extensible. Now, if you want to store some other information which is required at this table, you can extend computer table as well. If you see here the basic, this CMDB CI is the base table for CI work. CMDB CI is the basic class or the base class of all the CMDB. If you go to the hardware, let's see. CMDB CI hardware table. Again extensible. If you go to the configuration item, it is also class. It is also table. See, this is the code table. Here. इसके नीचे बनी मेरी हार्डवेयर की क्लास और उसके नीचे बना मेरा कंप्यूटर क्लास. So if I go back here to the hierarchy and let me open it again. Let me say computer room. Now computer room is directly under this thing here. Computer room can be a data center room as well. Data center में जो room होते हैं मेरा एक computer room है, या in our premises we have a rooms available where the servers and all those things have been installed or multiple computers has been installed. So ये मेरा class है. Now if I go to the server part, अतुल इस पे तो हम काम ही नहीं करते. Let me go to the server. Server is this is the main class. Under that you will find this many. Okay, let's see server. So server is a class of computer. It has been extended from the computer only. Always remember, if you create any server, it may create a computer as well. So now you can see the hierarchy from the CI to hardware to computer to server. And in the server, I have these many classes. Under this, I have a load balancer as well. Under this, I have a server hardware as well. The question comes, why server is a subclass of computer? Any idea? It was a big fight happened in my one of the account. And I have no idea, but I request or I recommend search about this. Try one computer and see, is it be creating in the server class also or not? Try create a server and see it is creating in the computer class or not. Parents के पास जो है वो child को मिलेगा, लेकिन child के पास जो parents को मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, you have to be check it here. So now if you go to this one, IBM server, maybe IBM mainframe. So now you can see the hierarchy. This is a child, is a parent, is a parent, is a parent, is a parent. Now if you want to see the relationship, click on this. See. This is a server, depends on this IBM mainframe, depends on this computer. Powers get from this rack. Now if I scroll down, this computer depends on this IBM mainframe server. This EXE server has been virtualized on this particular server. So जो relationship आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, these we are going to be used very soon in the practical part. ठीक है? So whenever you get confused about your CMDB, come to the classes here and see how the dependency has been derived, how the relationship has been done. If you want to see the all relationship rule, click here. Now it is tough to be understood.
Atul.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Atul, sorry, I must have missed it because of network, but this relationship is auto suggested by ServiceNow,
Yes,
or is
yes,
it giving
yes,
you a
yes.
suggestion so that you can manually map it?
So now you can create as well, and ServiceNow suggest as well. Like I can take
Okay.
example. Let's take example. And again, the same example. A child take a birth in your family. Okay. The suggested relationship says that he is your mama. Okay. We say to the child that he is your mama. Okay. But maybe abus that mama has a kid. Now, what is the relationship between the child and that kid? Then you can create a new relationship as well. नया तो नहीं बनेगा क्योंकि universal ऐसे ही चलता है. नया तो नहीं बनेगा, but you can suggest, okay, you can call me mama, you can call me uncle as well. So when we go to the actual CI part, I'll show that how you can create a relationship as well. Okay, the only fundamental which I want to show here that this is the place where any CI configuration manager can go and check the hierarchy. That is the reason it is called as a hierarchy here. If you see that how the classes has been defined. Now, if I say consumable, something is there. नहीं है कुछ consumable के नाम से. Let's say mouse नहीं है कुछ भी. ठीक है. So this is where you can find out the things. Let me say data center. Data center is directly derived from the CI class only. CMDB underscore CI is the main base class for your CI work. In the database, you hosted database server. It depends on the cluster. It runs on the Unix server. Hosted on this contains this, depends on this members of this. Now, what we will do? This is the first part or the basic part that we need to be understand. Okay. And I have very limited knowledge in this CMDB part. So what I have, I'm just giving back to you. Now, what we'll do? We will create a CI here. In the computer. So I'll go here and in the base item computers. Let's take example that Ronald joined a company and I'm giving a laptop to Ronald. Okay. Now, what happened in the background? That IT department will ready a laptop and assign to Ronald name. And whenever Ronald want to install anything new on that laptop, he just raise a ticket and he put that I am having this particular laptop with me and please install Microsoft Office or Word or PPT or any other software in this particular laptop. Now I'll go here. When you buy any new car, definitely it is a asset for you because financials binding हो जाती है वहां पर. पैसे लगे हैं भाई और कुछ बात नहीं है. ठीक है. Now the second thing come. If something goes wrong in that car, you call to the mechanic and you say, boss, something is not working. That person will ask, where? What? नहीं भैया, something is not working. He said, अरे ये तो बताओ, what something is not working? Then you say, my car is not working. So it means that car is called the CI here. If you see here, if I open an incident record here, now you can see. Let's say take example of this thing. Computer class, right? Like this. This is a CI here. That my laptop is not working and this laptop I'm selecting here. This CI I'm selecting here. So CI is required or the CMDB is required because without CMDB, it is not possible to know that which component of my department, which component of my industry, which component of my organization is not working properly. You can see, okay, अतुल गवर्नर ने 5 इंसिडेंट रेज किए, but किस आइटम पर क्या इशू हुआ? Like when you work in the operation, we know that okay, this is a user who always raises an incident on the laptop. Then what we say, इसको चलाना नहीं आता होगा लैपटॉप, हमेशा लैपटॉप पे इशू होता है, इसको पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसके लैपटॉप पे. Let replace that laptop. How you come to the conclusion? Let replace the laptop by seeing the number of incidents on the same CI again and again. Right? So now we will create a new computer record in our system. Before that, I'll tell you a few things. Computer is a hardware, yes, and computer is a asset for me. Asset means, when I say asset means that because it has some financial bindings, it will have some tags. Like if I say servers, until unless it is not a physical server, it don't have any asset. What do you mean by the virtual here? Virtual means जो exist नहीं करता physically but logically है. Reputation physically exist नहीं करती but logically है. उस पर tag number नहीं लिखा हुआ. My car is exist actually and it has a number as well. It has an identity as well कि अतुल को belong करते है, किसको belong करती है. ठीक. So this is the case is be required here. So what we'll do now, what I'll show you now, and then we'll go in the background. If I create any CI on the hardware table, or sorry, I'll say if I create a CI of the hardware type, it will create the asset automatically. Remember this thumb rule. If you want to create any, or if you want to introduce any asset in the service now, never ever create the asset record first. Create a CI and asset will be created automatically. Why? Because every CI can have a asset, but every asset cannot be a CI. Like if I say mouse, actually it is an asset, but you cannot build 1,000 of CIs on the mouse name. Mouse 1, mouse 2, mouse 3, mouse 4. So that isn't what they say. It is a consumable things. LAN wires. Numbers नहीं होते, उस पर टैग नंबर नहीं होता कि नंबर 1 है नंबर 2 नहीं. जब यूज हुआ कर लिया, निपट गया काम. So now what I'll go, I'm going to create a new computer class and we'll see that how this asset has been created. Then I will tell you it is a very normal knowledge which I get from my experience in this kind of classes only. और इतना ही I can explain it easily. I can explain you. Let's say batch 6. I belong to a company, or this asset belong to a company ACME Africa. Asset tag I can put. Serial number I can put. Manufacturer. I say this laptop belong to, or the manufacturer is Apple. Apple, what model ID? Mac Airbook or Mac Pro 17. Okay. Just a basic information I'm doing, nothing much. So you can see that on a computer you have the OS domain, you have the operating system, like I can say Windows, OS version, service pack, DNS, kitna space hai, CPU count, all the things you can do it. But my point here to tell you just to how this thing will be generated. I'll come to this point as well, these 4 points. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But this is also very interesting topics to be see. I click on the save. the asset is not generated. Don't worry, sometime it take time to generate. Why? क्योंकि इसके पीछे एक बिजनेस रूल लिखा गया है जो रन करता है, मैपिंग करता है, उसके बाद इसको जनरेट करता है. ठीक है, लेट ट्राई टू रीलोड द फॉर्म. It take time, it take time until वो बिजनेस रूल डिसेबल ना किया हो मैंने. डिसेबल तो नहीं किया होगा तो मैं कर ही सकता. ठीक है, let's wait for some time. It will be done. Let's click update. अरे वापस चला गया. चलो अब कंप्यूटर पे चलते हैं दोबारा से. Let's bring the asset. नहीं है अभी एसेट जनरेट नहीं हो रहा इसके ऊपर. क्यों नहीं हो रहा ये देखना पड़ेगा. It should not take this much time. So this will come automatically. Let me see some out of the box options here. Generally it generate. अगर मैंने कुछ आड़ा तिरछा, so like you can see here, if I open this asset, so it generate by this manner. It pick up the asset tag, it pick up the manufacturer, it pick up the model ID, and then it create the asset for me. Okay, maybe let's see ACM North America. We'll try some more option here. नहीं हो रहा यार. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Yes, any question? Go ahead.
So Atul, this asset, asset you're creating in the CMDB table only or the AMDB table?
Now it will create in the asset
Or does
table.
everything is stored in there?
Yes, it will go in the ALM asset table. I am just
ALM
creating a
asset
CI. Yes, I'm just creating a CI in the CMDB. This part. If you go here and open this asset,
Okay.
let's example. If I go here and create this asset, sorry, open this asset. So now you can see it is ALM hardware table. दोनों टेबल अलग अलग है.
So by default, it will move into that ALM
Correct.
table once
Correct.
you create
Correct.
it. Because
It
of
will
the
not
type
move.
of
It will not move. It will
category
create.
that you have selected.
Yes, it will create, not move. It will create.
It will create, yeah.
ठीक है.
Correct. Okay.
वो चीज. ठीक है.
Okay.
Now the thing is come.
And
Let's
that,
good.
server, that physical server. Typically, I heard what you said about this, but will it create in this ALM table or CMDB table?
In the CMDB, it will create the CI. In the ALM, it will create the hardware. Sorry, assets.
Hardware. Okay.
So
But
don't be
server
confused.
is an asset.
Server is an asset. If it is a physical server, then it is asset farm.
Financial
Right?
value. Yeah.
Yep. So don't be confused. When I'm talking about the CMDB, I'm talking about the CI. When I'm talking about the ALM, I'm talking about the assets. Let's take example. I'll
Right.
go here and let's open the server. Let's see. बुराई क्या है इसमें? All servers. I open this one. So now you can see it has a asset as well. If I open it, it is again in the ALM hardware only, but it is an asset for me now. Clear? Clear or not? Any doubt?
No, fine. Fine. All of it.
Okay, great. So now let's take an example. Let me take you in the background. So I put this information, okay, and then asset has been created. Now, if I come to a point, let's take example. I have a car. Number one, that car is an asset for me. Okay. Number one, that car is a CI for me as well. If you update the seat cover of your car, definitely you will say to your friends, "Arey bhai, meri car mein, I just updated the seat cover as well." Even though you updated the seat cover in your asset. Okay, so don't be confused. I want to be confused somewhere, but don't be confused. So what I'm going to tell you here, that if you see few fields on the CI is common on the few fields on the asset as well. जैसे यहाँ पे asset tag available here as well, available here as well. Manufacture कहाँ गया इसमें? I guess उसमें hide किया होगा, वहां पर भी और यहाँ पर भी आपको, ठीक है? So now let's say example, I want to make a change here. ठीक है? And I change the serial number as well. Let me click on the save. If I update my asset, will it be update my CI as well? Yes. You can see here. क्योंकि these are the fields are common between the CI and the asset table, or CI and the asset as well. Don't be confused. Again, I'm saying don't be confused. You purchase a new car, it is an asset, but for the mechanic, it is a CI. आप बोलोगे भैया मेरी कार का कलर चेंज कर दो. Mechanic will be change the color of your car from white to red, and same will be applicable for your asset as well. By मेरी car, my asset, my car is my asset, and it's now in the red color. ठीक है? But the question come from where this mapping has been come. ये थोड़ा सा हमें समझना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है? But before that, we will see that how I put the details and how my asset has been created automatically. देखो इसका बन गया asset, right? It take time. I know it run the business rule. It take time, but asset बन गया मेरा. ठीक. So in this sessions, what I'm going to tell you, or I am able to share with you, is that basically these background things may be useful for you immediately, may be useful not immediately. So now first question come, Atul, how this asset has been created? Let's go here and go to the business rule. We'll discuss this business rule maybe in next week's session. What is the meaning of the business rule basically? Because इसमें pure coding होता है, तो अपने तो बस से बाहर है. Business rule says that I will run after some commands will be happen. Add, remove, customer, create है क्या? हाँ, create asset on insert. See, this is the business rule it's be using. Let me open that. What this business rule will do? It will see that what you are inserting in the CMDB CI table. I pick up that information. I go to the asset table and create an asset for you, like it done for me in this place. But remember, in ServiceNow, you cannot create an asset for everything. नहीं, सॉफ्टवेयर की asset नहीं बनता है. It only work for the hardware only. And when I say hardware, means the physical existence जिसकी है. Your reputation is not your asset, क्योंकि उसका कोई physical नहीं है, उसकी कोई उसमें financial bindings नहीं है कुछ भी. This is the main question can be asked in the interview. What do you mean by the CI and what is the asset for you? CI may not contain any financial bindings. Asset always contain a financial bindings. Your office premises are asset as well. Your office premises are data centers as well. क्योंकि उसके साथ financial bindings है. So if I go here in the advanced, a code will be open for me. Let me be open, yeah. So this one. These are the utilities or the functions which ServiceNow provided to me. gs.get property asset and CI asset sync property is true. If asset and CI is asset required for CI, means in this function, if I can open control plus open, you can do it, I guess. Control, sorry, alt and double click, then it will be open for you. So these are the API. In that API, the code has been written that if this is the class, only then create the asset for me. So now you can see create multiple asset function, category ID and model ID. So in this, we have to read this code. Actually, I'm not that much strong in the coding part, otherwise I can tell you. But for you as a consultant, you should know that why this asset has been created for me, because a business will run in the background. I give you one homework. You have to identify which class, if you create a CI, asset will be created automatically. I'm giving the very first question. मैंने कंप्यूटर लिए एसेट बन गए, मैंने सर्वर लिए एसेट बन गई. I take a Microsoft Office 365, एसेट नहीं बन रही. Where these things has been defined, somewhere in the logic you have to find out. Maybe these are the logics I can show you here. Class create prototype. It is saying that use this model category, CMD model category. Let's go ahead and try to see. Model categories. Let's see, do we have any kind of a asset नाम से कुछ नहीं है क्या? नहीं. So like you can see, for these only I have a asset class. So maybe if I put any asset class for this, इसके लिए भी assets बनना शुरू हो जाएगा. But this thing has been defined in somewhere in this logic here. In this or this logic is there. Yep. Check करो जाके, nil तो नहीं है, verification करो, all the things are there. And then it will create a asset for you. Delete asset only or delete asset, all the things are there. ठीक है. Being a consultant, हमें इतना deep में नहीं जाना. I'm telling you very clearly, but I'm sharing this because I have this knowledge so that I can share this with you. ठीक है. Now synchronization code between asset and the CI records. I'll come to second point now. If you see, I change the serial number in the asset, and in the asset, my CI also get changed. From where these information are coming? In ServiceNow, we have 3 tables available. These are called the mapping tables. I'll show you here. These asset and CI field mapping. Open it. This will tell you if you make any change in the asset field, will the CI will be changed or not. So like if you say install date, let me go to my asset. Where is the install date? Financial, disposal, depreciation, contracts, allocation, activities. नहीं, यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है कि install date में, ये hide किया हुआ है. ये रहा install date. ठीक है. If I change this date, it will change into my CI as well. यहाँ पर भी change हो जाएगा वो. We need to bring that form, bring that field on the form level. How these things be happening? Because this has been defined in this particular table. If I scroll up, it's already all right. So only 29 fields has been defined for the mapping part. But the question का अतुल ये तो हो गया तो बहुत easy है नहीं. What will happen in the background that when you change, suppose I change the on by, let's say assign to है क्या इसमें? Let's see. हाँ, assign है ना, right? Assign to है, right? Let's change the assign to here. Assign to learn and grow. And click on the save and go here. It's changed the assign to here as well. How this happen in the background? This value pick it up from here. Go to this. Go to the business rule. कौन सा business rule है? ये वाला जो भी हमने ओपन किया था, कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया था ना इसमें? Synchronization code ये वाला asset records. ये यहाँ पर जाके check करेगा कि which record you change it, and then it will find out for you. Or maybe you can see here in the business rule. 37 है ना, इसमें एक देखना sync करके कुछ है क्या? Create, delete. Sync asset नहीं, asset work order ये भी नहीं. Let me try on the top side. So maybe यहाँ पे हमें कुछ मिल जाएगा. Sync event नहीं, नहीं है. चलो ALM में इसका मतलब CMDB सर्च करके देखते हैं कुछ. Yeah, CMDB sync event managed by group relationship syncing. It should be there. Maybe I'm using the this one only, synchronization code between asset and CI records. So ये record जाके आपका sync up करता है. आप कौन सी value change करें? It pick up it go there and identify the value from this particular table, and then make a change into the asset and the CI. For me, oh ये तो हो गया. But in the background, it run business rule. It go to this lookup table. ये lookup tables होती है मेरी. I'll show this part in the next week. कि lookup tables कैसे काम करते हैं. How we can get a lookup tables. Okay, it go and then it make a change it here for you. Any doubt, any question till this point? Ronald and Surya.
No, Atul.
Not.
All clear or everything is clear?
Yeah, as of now, what you said is clear.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ronald, go ahead. Any doubt, any question?
No. CMDB is an interesting topic, but
Yes.
I did this in the last project, so a little bit familiar with it.
Great. Now I come to the second point. Okay, let me go in the mapping table only. अच्छा, अब देखो यहाँ it is very confusing. I put very a number of times. Because why I said very number of times? Because I learned this thing from my experience only. Truly, it is come from experience. Multiple huntings, multiple research, multiple googling, multiple committees I check. Then only I can see, yes, this is the one thing which I can be see here. If I go here, you can see 4 status here: operational status, substatus, hardware status. If I go in the asset, I have a state and I have a substate. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम, यहाँ पर मेजर प्रॉब्लम बात क्या है? This operational status will tell you about your CI. इसका हार्डवेयर से अभी तक कोई लेना देना नहीं है. अभी तक, जब तक मैं आपको आगे नहीं लेके जा रहा. ठीक है. So this operational status tell about my CI only. That my CI is operational, is a non-operational, repair चल रहा है, dear standby, ready या retired. If I say my CI is a non-operational, what about my asset? It is also non-operational. My car is non-operational. What about my car as an asset now? Definitely वो भी non-operational ही होगी ना? Yes or no? What do you say? I go to the mechanic. Mechanic says, boss, your car is not working. Leave it. What about my car, which I call as an asset? That is also not working. Let's do example. I click on the save here. And let's go to my asset. Let it be save. Now go to my asset. अतुल कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, पड़ेगा भी नहीं. Because this indicate my CI status, not my asset status. But if I go here and I say my CI is in maintenance and save and go to my asset and try to reload it, नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा इसको भी. The reason can be it's very मतलब यहाँ पर ना on the ground level you have to be think actually, and for that I'll take a help from this particular table. Asset CI install status. See, remember this, if you see this indicate कि मेरा hardware का status क्या चल रहा है. When I say hardware, it means I'm talking about my asset. When I say this indicate my CI part, but this has some relationship with my asset as well. अगर मेरा CI maintenance में है, it means my asset also should be in the maintenance. I'll go here and show you one more table. That is what I'm saying. It is very confusing. It's very confusing. I'll give you one more link today. Read that part, and then you will again confuse completely. What it's saying now? It's saying I have a 4 fields. 5 asset state, substate, configuration item status. It means I'm talking about this thing. And sync direction. If I make a change in asset, will it change my CI? Yes. If I make a change in my CI, will it make a change in asset? Yes. So what it's saying, if you move your CI into the pending repair, let's go and try to do that part. And click on the save. And now I can see my asset status. हमने सही asset open किया नहीं किया? फर्क क्यों नहीं पड़ा यार इसमें फिर? Reloaded. See, it is still showing in use. Okay. The reason can be I can tell you. Maybe we can try something else. In use both, right? Install. Let me add one more as a sub status. Let's see if it has an impact. नहीं यहाँ पर required ही नहीं है, दिया भी नहीं. Good. The reason can be maybe I can open one more thing here. ज़्यादा confusion तो नहीं हो रहा? Yes, guys. You are fully confused or you are semi-confused?
Atul, I lost the connection, so I didn't get a question.
Okay. I'm saying that what I'm telling you, you'll be getting confused or not?
In asset and CMDB?
Yes. In this mapping table now.
Yeah. It's a little confusing, but I'm okay, familiar, but obviously a little bit here and there.
Okay. Let me explain you in short and sweet terms. Then we try to be
Okay.
understand the things. Okay.
Okay.
So in the CI form, I have these 4 fields available: operational status, status, substatus, and hardware status. Operational status says about my CI condition कि मेरा CI चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. ठीक है. Status and substatus says that boss, I am giving you the flexibility to bring this asset वाला state आप यहां पर भी लेके आ जाओ, so that you can track your asset as well in a one go from a one place. ठीक है. Hardware status says that boss, if you're using me, then you cannot use this option. Either use this two, either use this one to update your hardware. Now, if I go change here as a pending repair and save, and now you can see it is in the stock. अब ये कहां से आया? ये आया मेरा हार्डवेयर इंस्टॉल स्टेटस से, यहां से आया वो. ठीक है. The thing is that you have a question, Atul, why not I can use all these 4 fields to track my CN and asset? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. This is not the ServiceNow functionality has been built up. ServiceNow say if you want to just track your asset, then use only this field on the form level. If you want to track the both things on the CI, you want to track your asset as well, then better use this thing. And I'm sure there is some change I done in a business tool, which I get it from this community. Let me show you something here, and you guys should read it. Asset CI synchronization in ServiceNow community. ये बहुत मतलब I'm truly speaking, I done a lot of R&D on that part, and finally I surrender my case. That was okay. This is not possible because it is not given by ServiceNow. नहीं, ये नहीं है. Not this. Not this. Not this. Asset CI hardware status. Let's see. Right. यहाँ पे कुछ मिलेगा. Yes. Right. Read this particular. I cannot log in into this part actually because it's asked for the high ticket. I don't have a high one. But let's see it's open or not. KB article. See, this is the thing. Below are the different mappings between the status. Asset to CI, yes. Asset to hardware, yes. CI to asset, yes. Hardware to asset, yes. Number 1 and number 2 is working fine. Means if we are using this, कहाँ गया हमारा ये रहा, asset to CI, मतलब यहां से आप वहां जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, कहाँ गया यार वो आर्टिकल, हाँ ये रहा, asset to CI या asset to hardware. If you want to update, it will work fine for you. This is a wish list. Only 1, 3 or 4 currently can be used. Either you can update CI to asset, means either you can use this option or either you can this option. You cannot use both option in a one go. This is a non-error in ServiceNow. And after reading this, when I find this article, after reading this, I surrender my case and I say, yes, the finding which I have is completely done. If you want to use either 4, you have to make a change in your code. Maybe I done that part only. This is a business rule it's been running, asset and sync synchronization, which I'm looking for actually. Okay, so read this article. This article will help you and confuse you maybe to understand that how this status actually work. Maybe if I go here and change the state retired and put a substate sold, and then I click on the save. Let's see what happened. See, retired, sold, and retired. All the 4 things has been updated. Why? Because now it pick up the data from this 2 table, number 1 and number 2. And what we did, we done from asset to CI. It means we done this part. We done this thing, asset to CI. जब ये किया तो चारों चीजें अपडेट हो गई. But when I'm doing this thing, CI to asset or hardware to asset, only one thing will work, because maybe I'm sure that by using this article I done some changes. So now if I go here and make a change here, stolen, and save, and go to my this thing, it's missing and stolen has been updated. ये कहाँ से आया value? ये यहाँ से आया. In a CI, if I put stolen, right? So it updated missing and stolen into the asset. ठीक. So these are the fundamentals which is tough to know in the practical knowledge, but ये चीजें R&D से ही आती हैं. So my strongly recommendation, Ronald, specifically to you at least, read this article. Open this table.
Yeah, sure.
These 3 tables are very much important. Open this table and try to do some manipulation. Maybe Surya, you can try this particular table in your personal instance, because वहां पर अभी तक आपने कोई code change नहीं किया. I done code change. I know this thing. I done some code changes. That is why it's working as a 4 now, not the 3 for me. If I make a change, it will work 3, not the 4 for me. Okay, but you also read these 2 or 3 articles which I ping you.
Yeah, sure.
And see, it is so old. Last updated is this one. I'm not sure when it has been created earlier. It's a very old article. At least people are saying from the last 3 to 4 releases they are facing this issue, and there's no update. क्योंकि practically possible नहीं है वो चीजें. How you can track on a CI? You're saying it is a working, and on the hardware showing it's a stolen. It cannot be possible. Only one thing can be done at a time. Either consider from the CI, either consider from the asset. Now, if I go for the practical part, we generally use these 3 options only. We don't introduce this to the customer. कि भाई दो ही मत इसको customer को. This thing which I bring on the form, intentionally I bring just to show in the classes. Otherwise आपको 3 के अलावा नहीं मिलेगा. या ये मिलेगा, ये दोनों नहीं मिलेंगे, फिर ये मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है? Clear this till this point? Any doubt? Any question?
No, just link. Go to
Your voice is breaking actually, Ronald.
Okay, I was saying if you could please send that link, we'll go through it.
It is in the chat. I've already pinged the Skype chat.
Okay, I didn't see that. Okay.
Okay.
And that CSM PPT also, please.
Yes. Let me send it now. Only after this class, I'll send it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
So tomorrow we will see that how I can build this relationship. Okay. And we'll kick off something on the CSGM part. That what is CSDM model. Very interesting. मजा आएगा उसको पढ़ने में भी. ठीक है जी. So let me stop the recording here.